Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best hand planers you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best hand planers in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our first pick is Bosch PL1632 hand planer. The PL1632 3x1 inch or 4 inch planer delivers for pros who need to plane doors or other surfaces quickly and evenly. The PL1632 3x1 inch or 4 inch 6.5 amp planer offers an industry first planer lock off or lock on button that helps prevent accidental startup and provides for extended operation. Dual mount fence provides non-flexing guidance, prevents marring of door or workpiece face. It delivers performance, convenience and security with an outstanding planer guidance system. It has a 6.5 amp motor that produces 16,500 RPM for fast stock removal and smooth finishes. The tool's ambidextrous lock-off release button helps avoid accidental starts, and it has a lock-on button for extended operation, a combination that is unique to Bosch planers. The aluminum front and rear shoes are precision machined together for accuracy, and the tool has a machine groove for chamfering. Its counterbalanced blade design puts the blade at an ideal cutting angle and eliminates uneven planing caused by misaligned blades. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best hand planers list is WEN 6534 electric hand planer. This planer is perfect for fixing stubborn doors and fitting wood. With a cutting width of 4 of 3 by 8 inches and a maximum cutting depth of 1 by 8 of an inch, you'll have the perfect companion for fitting and squaring boards. The 16 positive stops increase in increments of 1 by 128 inch anywhere from 0 all the way up to 1 by 8 of an inch. The base plate shoe even includes 2 V-shaped chamfer grooves for easily flattening sharp post corners. Aside from the power planer, this package also includes a dust hose adapter, a kickstand, a parallel fence bracket, and an onboard storage slot for the blade changing wrench. Our third choice is PORTERCABLE PC60T HP hand planer. The 6-amp hand planer provides smooth cutting in hard materials. This planer has a dual-side dust extractor that allows the flexibility to place the dust extraction on either side of the tool to keep the work area clean. The overmold depth knob offers 10 positive steps which allow for better planer control and multiple depth control settings, along with 3 chamfering grooves for options on edge chamfering. An 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe provides added control and better finish quality. Plus, the 5 by 64 inch depth of cut of the hand planer for woodworking removes excess material in less time. Fourth pick in this best hand planers list is Makita XPKO1Z hand planer. The Makita 18V LXT lithium-ion cordless planer combines the speed and capacity of a corded planer with the convenience of cordless. The result is fast and accurate stock removal, without the cord. It's part of Makita's expanding 18V lithium-ion series, the world's largest cordless tool lineup powered by an 18V lithium-ion slide-style battery. Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. Comfort and ease of use features include a spring-loaded stand to elevate the base and protect the blades and workpiece. The XPKO1Z has a high power-to-weight ratio and has an ergonomically centered balance design, with rubberized soft grip on the front and rear handles for increased comfort on the job. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Ryobi HPL52K hand planer. A planer is the best tool to get them properly shorn. Larger construction projects require high volumes of wood to be sheared down to the proper size for uniform builds. Rather than exhausting yourself with a hand planer, go with Ryobi. They have the HPL52K, a powerful 6-amp depth planer that can run up to 16,500 RPM. Simply plug its 6-foot cord into your wall outlet, attach the dust bag to whichever side you prefer, pull the trigger, and you'll have cleanly shaved wood in no time. There are plenty of features on here that help you achieve the best experience. There is the rubber overmold that keeps friction high between your hands and the tool, allowing greater control in slippery environments. There is also a kickstand on the back of the unit that prevents it from marring your wood surfaces. Let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!